Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the black-eyed look on Dress to Impress. So it looks like you have a bruise on your eye. Go to custom makeup. Obviously you need custom makeup for this, and then we are going to select this eye right here. You can color it whatever you want. You can use any lips and any brows you'd like as well. And then we are going to go to the eyeshadow section. Firstly, we are going to add in this eye makeup look. We're just going to color that black. And then we're going to also add this one. And we're going to color that black as well. And then I am going to add this one to the mix. Color that black as well. You can add like more scars to it. Maybe like this one. And then like this. Like in black maybe. Or you like it without that, that's also fine. Did I even select the right eyeshadow? Hold on. I think I correctly selected the right one. Or was it this one? Oh my god, I don't remember. But you're just going to add that to your eye. You can kind of add in more eyeshadow if you'd like to. It's just going to make it a black eye anyway. Like, look at that. I'll add this one. Oh, let's not add this one, and then let's add this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. It's up to you like what eyeshadow you want to add, but I add those eyeshadows on mine and it looks like I have a black eye. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.